Hey girly, breathe. Though I have never met you, talked to you, laughed with you, or cried with you, I stand here beside you because I am you. I was you when I made the same decisions and the noise around me enveloped my life. It's our passion that drives us and calls us to action to meet expectations. But it's that same passion that crushes our spirit when we fall short of our goal of being perfect. The smallest slight internal thoughts rain down on our spirit. Bad mom, bad wife, bad teacher, bad life. It's too hard. Back to work, back to school. Breathe. Again, while I have never met you, I am you, and for that, I love you. But I am not here to sugarcoat things for you. This life you have chosen is hard. It was hard then, it's still hard now. It may get harder in the future. Who knows? The one constant thing that we do know is that it's worth it. We can do hard things. Women all around the world are realizing, just like you, that they are teachers too. That much like a church building is too small to hold in God, learning doesn't only need to happen in a school building. Knowledge cannot be confined to one building, one book, or even one life. Education does not have a graduation date. The only ceremony that exists to celebrate when you're done learning is called a funeral. Education is a lifelong journey and one that you have decided to take on with your kids and not delegate the responsibility to someone else. Done correctly, your kids will learn, your kids will grow, you will learn and you will grow, and the seeds you plant now will reap benefits for generations yet to come. Galatians 6 says, a man reaps what he sows. The one who sows to please his sinful nature, from that nature will reap destruction. The one who sows to please the Spirit, from the Spirit will reap eternal life. Choose to sow seeds of love in your kids. Sow seed of respect, honor, humility, kindness, hard work, perseverance, honesty, and responsibility, and it will be returned to you. The fact is that if you plant an apple seed, what comes out of the ground cannot be a watermelon. Breathe. Dear new homeschool mama, I know the decisions you face now are real and scary. The anxiety you feel is called change. Change is scary, but change is necessary, and this change is worth it. The good news is that you have a wealth of information at your fingertips and a community of like-minded women who have made the same decisions and gone through the same issues as you. If you wanted to explore the Amazon, would you just grab your purse and keys and just go? I hope the answer is no. Before going on such an adventure, you would do research, get a tour guide, talk to people who have gone on a similar trip. Find people who would be willing to go on the adventure with you. You buy the right equipment that fits you and then create a plan. I'm only saying the most basic thing. Before you embark on the adventure of homeschooling, just do the same level of work you would do for a vacation. There's a wealth of information out there. Tap into it and find what fits best for your family. No one person has all the answers because no one person can represent all the family dynamics that exist. But find yourself a homeschool tour guide. Learn from her mistakes. Find out what equipment she used. Ask about her journey and apply what you've learned to your own. I may not be the one for you, but nevertheless, I am you. And for that fact alone, I love you and wish you and your family the best. Sincerely, Wendy.